Today I'm going to tell you how you can direct message to someone on Twitter. If you want to say something private to another person on Twitter, you can send them a direct message. Then watch this full video. Go to www.twitter.com in the web browser. If you are not already signed into your account, you will be prompted to do so now. Click the Messages tab. It's the envelope icon in the left panel. Click New Message. It's the oval button at the center of the right panel. In the address box, enter the names or usernames of the people you wish to send a message to. A group message can include up to 50 people. Click the name of the person you want to write. Click Next. Type your message into the field at the bottom of the window. In the message box, you can include a photo, video, GIF, or emoji via direct message. Click the photo icon to upload a photo or video. Click the Send button, it's the small paper airplane, or press the Enter key to send. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.